Harley Davidson. Fred Lang from California, riding a 1915 Harley Davidson.
I'll see you later.
He started a great race. Remember that? Mike Madden on a 1915 Harley. Number 40, Rick McFadden from Washington on a 1915 Harley. And number 34, Steve Hudson from California on a 1915 Excelsior. Two Harleys and a 1950 Excelsior. From California, Paul Watts riding a 1915 Harley Davidson. 51, Paul Watts from the great state of California, the 1915 Harley Davidson. Arizona riding a 1914 Excelsior. Give him a big hand. Driving a 1914.
Amy?
One more time. Good trip.